Hey guys, I wanted to highlight a product that I use in our breakfast bar organization area from 31. It is the Double Duty Caddy right here. Double Duty Caddy, and this is in the Forest Friends print, and as you see it actually kind of coordinates really cutely with the cozy plaid pattern. But the Double Duty Caddy has a handle, as you just saw. It's got mesh pockets on both sides, so you have two here and you also have two on that side, and they actually can also hold remotes pretty perfectly. I know some people put phones in there as a charging station and tablets like in the big pockets as a whole charging system. I know Kleenex boxes, people put the long rectangle Kleenex boxes in these. I currently am using it kind of as things I need to get to quickly in the kitchen, a to-do list, and my catalog, which is funny, coupons and band-aids because I have 4 kids. But this is the Double Duty Caddy from 31, and as you can see, it fits perfectly in the Your Way display bin, and it actually fits right next to the Littles Carry-All that we talked about that I use for homework time. So that is the Double Duty Caddy from 31.